Welcome to Conceptual Learning. Today we are going to discuss some of the questions from educational psychology, learning assessment, and inclusive educations. A creative learner refers to one who is good at lateral thinking and problem solving. Second question, individual learners differ from each other in the rate of development because rate of development, pace of development, and style of learning is different from one another. So option 2 is correct. Every learner is unique means learners are not same. No two learners are alike in their abilities, interests and talents. Even twins are not alike in their choice, in their abilities. So individual difference is there. Constructivism as a theory emphasis on learner can construct their own knowledge from their own surrounding. So, constructing his own view of the world. 2 is the correct one. Development of concept is primarily part of intellectual development. Hereditary is considered as social structure because it is static, it is not movable, it is not changeable, it is not dynamic in nature. The most intense and crucial socialization takes place during the adolescent stage, helping learners recapitulate and recall what they have already learned is important because relating new information to prior knowledge to enhance the learning. So, identifying the existing structure, existing or previous knowledge to enhance the learning is important. 2 is the correct option. According to Piaget, during the first stages of development, birth to 2 years, a child learns best by using the sense organ, the senses. Theory of learning, which totally and only depends on observable behavior, is associated with the theory of learning, which is observable, which is measurable, that is behavioristic theory. You can take example classical conditioning, operant conditioning, insightful learning theory. So their behaviors are observable or measurable. Multilingual character of Indian society should be seen as a resource for enrichment of school life because India is a multilingual, multicultural, multi-religious country. So it is a source for enrichment of our school life. 2 is the correct option. Creative answer requires open-ended questions, not closed-ended question. Diagnosis of the gaps in the learning of students should be followed by appropriate remedial measures. Which of the following statement cannot be considered as future of learning? So, study of behavior is not a future of learning. All are features of learning. Mediates the behaviors. The learning is a process that mediates behavior. Learning occurs due to certain experiences. It is also features of learning. And learning is also a part of learning procedures. Self-regulation means ability to monitor own learning, own progress. So their ability to monitor their own learning. Option 1 is the correct option. Which of the following does not reflect teaching for understanding? Ask student to explain a phenomena, a concept in their own words. It is correct. Teach students to provide examples to illustrate how a law works. It is also correct. Help students see the similarities, differences and generate analogy. It is also correct. Enable students to memorize. So memorize, recall is not a part of understanding or teaching for understanding. Which of the following statement is true about learning? True about learning. Learning is effective in the environment that is emotionally positive and satisfying for the learners. So this is correct options. Learning is fundamentally a mental activity. It is not only a mental activity, but it is also some cognition. Their social ability is important. Environmental factor is also important about learning process. So option 2 is correct. Human development is based on certain principles, which is not the principle of human development. Principle of continuity is the part of human development. Principle of sequentiality is there. Principle of general to specific is there. Development is human development is not reversible. So fourth is not the correct option. The main purpose of assessment should be to diagnose, to find out the difficulties in learning and provide appropriate remedy to fulfill the gaps in learning, to provide positive feedbacks in learning for further improvement of learning. So fourth option is correct. Centrally sponsored scheme of integrated education for disabled children aims at providing educational opportunities to children with disabilities in regular schools. Because everyone belongs to school, everyone welcomes to school. So children with special needs can also learn with with disability students, without disability students. So this is concept from inclusive education. Which of the following is not a sign of reading difficulty among young learners? Difficulty among young learners. Letter and word recognitions as reading speed and fluency, understanding words and ideas, spelling consistency. So here, understanding word and ideas is not a sign for difficulty for the young learners. So 3 is the correct options. Which of the following is not a characteristics or features of intrinsic motivated children? So intrinsic motivated students always enjoy their work, they're doing work, and they display a high level of energy while working. They like challenging kind of tasks, but they always succeed. This is not possible in practical sense. So this is not a characteristic or features of intrinsic motivated children. Which of the following is not appropriate tool for formative assessment? Assignment, oral question, quiz and games is a part of or a tool for the formative assessment. Term test is not a part of formative assessment. It is not a tool for formative assessment. Learners should not be encouraged to to memorize to memorize all the answers to question which the teacher may ask. So how to avoid rote memorization, because we are focusing on construction of knowledge. So learners should avoid memorization all the questions or all the answers of questions which teacher ask or express something. Next moves to next question. Irfan breaks Irfan breaks toys and dismantles them to explore their component. What would you do? So here we should encourage his inquisitive nature and channelize their and his her energy. So the statement, next question, the statement, men are generally more intelligent than women. So the question is like ambiguous, because it is related to gender bias. So option 3 is the correct option, most appropriate option. Men and women have the ability to solve the practical problem. Next question, understanding the principle of development of a child helps a teacher in help the teacher in effective catering to different learning style of learners. Understanding the principle of child helps the teachers in effectively catering to the different learning styles of learners. Christina took her class for a field trip. After coming back, she discussed the trip with her student. It may be connoted as it is related to assessment of learning. After the events, after the discussions, after the completion of units, so this is related to assessment of learning. So during the program, this is assessment for learning. Then the statement, an appropriate precognitions for the proper development of child is ensuring her healthy physical development. So it is related to it is true, because physical development is interrelated with the other domains of development. So physical development can assist other part of development, emotional development, social development. So thank you all. Jai Hind.